So I finally got my Samsung S Note 20 Ultra 5G repaired. So the quality of the videos is definitely going to go up. If only I paid attention to sound quality. I try sometimes. Anyway, I'm going to open this thing up. I'm waiting to get really good footage of this opening, getting opened. And I didn't want to do it with my old piece of junk phone that I've been using for the past month or so. So here goes. This thing is absolutely impressive. Even in the package, it's pretty wild. So we're going to open it up. I mean, look at this thing. Holy cow. Are you seeing this? Look at this thing. The details are amazing. The interior is fantastic. Those tailfins are wild. Ralph Nader specifically cited these as being the most dangerous, most pointy, longest tailfin of any car. That would have been the mid-60s with his little hissy fit with the Corvair. Dumb lawyers. The hood does not open on this. Actually, nothing opens. It's very much a static model, but I'm totally okay with that. These are pretty pricey as is. And honestly, I enjoy just looking at them the way they sit. It would be nice to see under the hood. It'd be nice to see the engine. It'd be a 390, I believe, these years. But anyway, still pretty awesome. Love it. Love everything about this thing. Actually, it's pretty much. This is my all-time favorite post-war Cadillac. So we've got this, and then right here, we got a couple of V16s between these cars right here. 30s V16s, and this magnificent beast. I mean, that's Cadillac right there. That's everything and anything that Cadillac could ever be. The early 50s are nice, mid 50s are cool. 59, of course, everybody loves the 59. But man, look at these Skegs. They start off at the front wheel well. All the way back, look at that. Term Skeg refers to the ridges on a boat like this. And I believe it was Harley Earl who penned that name. It could have been Bill Mitchell, though. I could be wrong. Actually, I think it might have been Bill Mitchell now I think about it. He was the one with the story with the Mako Shark concept car and the paint. That's another fun one. Look that up. Anyway, so yeah. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I'm very happy. Not just with my purchase, but just happy that somebody put this car out there. Not just for me, but that other people will now get to enjoy the insane absurdity of a 61 Cadillac with these giant tail fins. And of course this thing's gonna sit and live next to my 1959 Buick and 1957 Plymouth. Because that's perfection. That's between the three of them right there. That's everything. You gotta get the yellow DeSoto too. That'll round out a perfect set of four. These things desperately need to be detailed. They look terrible as is. This trim needs to be fixed. That's what happens with cheaper castings. This thing, on the other hand, this thing is basically darn near perfect. And I guess, again, that's what you get for that kind of money. Sometimes it is nice to spend a little extra and get something amazing versus something mediocre for a good price. Look at that tail fin. It's wild. Every little detail on this thing is near perfect. If you don't like 1950s cars, I think there's something wrong with you.